Now all the bones are in, right, Rick? So it's time to start on pavement. And we've got a one-of-one for you. Never been done before. Never been done before. Synthetic base and a heating element in a backyard application. Never been done before. Let's take a look at heated pavement on synthetic base. Homeowners are disinterested in shoveling snow, salting ice, or paying for winter removal. It's hazardous and it's expensive. The alternative is an efficient, eco-friendly heating system for walkways, driveways, and patios. Walkways give you safe entrance for family and friends into the home. The driveway, a clear, dry, welcome home feeling. And patios, access to kitchens and fire pits. Installation of pre-spaced mats and sectioned coverage. Alliance Designer Products Gator Base and ProLine heating mats are a perfect complement to each other, insulating and radiating. We began with a number 8 stone layer. On top, our Gator Base. We put in 1/2 to 1 inch of number 8 stone that's 1/4 inch clean. Then we have our ProLine mats with a sod staple on the tape, tensioning them correctly. Another 1/2 inch to 1 inch of number 8 stone, and then the Hexa pavers and Avignon Edge by Techo-Bloc. Our electrical subcontractor is already on site for our outlet needs. They're gonna run the aerial snow switch on the roof, will pick up moisture and temperature in the environment and turn the system on. They'll also hardwire our system to the panel. The system will cut on in advance of snow events, meaning no accumulation, which means no runoff and a dry pavement. Our home value just went up. Our year-round enjoyment, up. And our temperature just went way up. I have heating at my house. I live in Cleveland, Ohio. We get about 6 to 9 feet of snow a year. It's all lake effect snow. My front step, stoop, and walkway are all heated, no snow ever, and I love it. And it runs about $300 to $500 a year to run, and I would do it again and again and again and again. Don't miss the opportunity. It is a great for those aging population. Continue.
ProLine, if you send them the dimensions for your project, they can actually create one of these maps and, provided with their cables, show you how to run everything in.
But we did make a mistake, right?
Yeah, we missed the elevation change on this project.
So how did we overcome it?
We actually ended up cutting a groove into a couple of those submerged Borealis units, running a cable in and then running another cable out. We covered it up with our silicone, and then we put number 8s on top of that. So sealed those wires in.
That's that application right there. So one's cable in, one's cable out. So any kind of elevation change, if you're doing a set of steps, you need to run that cable up. It needs to be completely encapsulated, not exposed to air. There's Incredible Hank. He's our electrician. He was up on the roof installing that snow switch. Now, it knows the temperature, and it knows the presence of moisture in the environment, and automatically cuts on. There's nothing you need to do as a homeowner. Now, when it comes to volts, amps, and watts, well, I don't know anything about them. The only thing I know about watts is that one of them plays for the Texans and one of them plays for the Steelers, and they're both killers. Don't you guys have a semi-pro team here? Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's messed up. Yeah, that is. That's messed up.